Let's take my basement from this to this, y'all. It took a lot of energy. Clean my basement with me after my brother-in-law's birthday. So I'm going to start off by straightening the pillows. We had a soccer themed birthday party. I'm going to go ahead and grab my cleaning basket because I always need my cleaning basket. I'm just going to start off by just clearing the table and cleaning it up to put my decor back to the way it was before. So I'm going to use my Dawn soap for this instead of Windex. And that is for many reasons. It could be for, crumbs of food or whatever, burnt spots, and stuff. So I use the Dawn spray for that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the fireplace because my kiddo always gets his little tiny fingerprints all over that. And you can see every little fingerprint. I'm wiping my mirror tray right now to take it back to the table. I removed it because it does take up a lot of space. So when people are here and they're drinking and they're using the table, I like to minimize my decor. How to do better floors, I have to redo the floors, but those are actually real marbles. I literally ripped out the rug and I put real marbles over there. But that was my first time. That was my learning stage. But I'll do a different floor coming up soon as well. Just clearing everything. I love this little bar section. I swear I be thinking I'm a bartender when I'm here. I make all kinds of good drinks. I'm just spraying. I shouldn't have used my Windex, but I had not realized yet until I get to the other part of the section. That's when I'm going to realize I'm still using my Windex. I have a lot of glass upstairs in my house, so my Windex is usually the first thing I grab when I grab my cleaning basket. Yo, I swear there's always a glass sitting somewhere in that section, and it's always clean, so it's weird how sometimes it's just always there. But it could be a wine glass, a water glass, whatever, but I always have a glass sitting over there. But I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep the floor and then get to the mopping. When I mop, I always use at least 2 of those Swiffer mop wipes, and I mop twice. I don't care how big the floor is, how small the floor is. Always go in at least 2 to 3 times, because sometimes the first mop is always just all right. So after cleaning, this is the finishing product. This is what I get. This is with the lights on. Like I said, I do have an updated decor video. I'm gonna go over all the lighting that are gonna be in the video here. Also, when I turn the lights off, I do have some light bulbs that change colors. But like I said, I'm gonna go over those in a different video. And this is what I get. Yeah, so this basement is fairly easy to clean. It's not all that hard. It does take a lot of energy, but it is easy to clean. And yeah, once I get this clean like this, sometimes it goes for about 2 weeks, because I don't really come here unless I'm really in like my chilling. Me and my husband, we want to vibe by ourselves. But this is what it looks like with the blue lights on, and then this is what it looks like with all the lights off and only the changing color light bulbs are on at this time, along with my candles. I just love it. I love the vibe. I love the ambience, the mood. It's like every time I decide to come down here, it is for us to just strictly relax, and the kids are not welcome down here.